Hi, to edit videos on iPhone 16e, firstly let's find Photos app and choose video we wanna edit. Now to edit this video we need to click right here and firstly we can crop it like that. We can mute it or unmute. We can change its speed as well as FPS. We can tap on three dots and here if you copied edits before you can paste it, or you can switch to filters and manually adjust exposure, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation, vibrance, warmth, tints, sharpness, definition, noise reduction, and vignette. So for that you just need to drag sliders like this, left or right, according to the result you want to see. Then we can add some filters. So we got vivid, vivid warm, and so on. We can also change its intensity here like that. And if we tap on this last icon, then we can rotate it with the help of clicking here. We can also mirror it like that. We can adjust it vertically, horizontally, just as we want to, like that. We can also move it left or right. And if you messed up, you can click reset and always go back to the default option. And now just save changes by tapping done. And here choose to save this video as a new clip or just save it like that. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.